Starting around 27 September 2023, Velo essentially is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo especially has a kind of complete market cap of $18,177,495, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,817,479 in an especially significant manner. This truly makes Velo sort of positioning at 599 in the digital currency market, or so they really thought. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo most certainly be worth in 2023 in an especially enormous manner? Is Velo a wise venture or, all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023, which is very critical? Will Velo cost generally outperform its unequaled high, truly in spite of mainstream thinking? These most certainly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an essentially large manner. Velo value expectation 2023, as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost really is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.003, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $0.003 in a significant manner. Besides, Velo can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.003. Velo value gauge August 2023, the genuinely normal cost of Velo could go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023. Further appearance how for the most part is Velo a wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, or so they basically thought. Velo could generally be exchanging around an exceptionally greatest worth of $0.003, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.002, which shows that additionally Velo can explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme value level of $0.003 in a fundamentally significant manner. Velo value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo sort of is determined to in every way that really matters, be at around a truly least worth of $0.003 in a very enormous manner. The Velo value worth can truly arrive at a genuinely limit of $0.003, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars, which explicitly is very critical. Velo value estimate October 2023, the normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Velo could in a real sense exchange around a greatest worth of $0.003, with the base expected cost of $0.003, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Velo value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.003 in a sort of large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 explicitly is $0.003 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.003 in an unpretentious way. Velo value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the genuinely greatest cost for Velo could truly stretch around $0.003, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 is $0.003, with a truly normal cost of $0.003 in a very significant manner. Velo in every way that really matters, past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been basically diminished by 0.54% in its exceptionally current worth, which sort of is genuinely huge. In the event that we in every practical sense look at the really current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap basically is likewise down. Showing how starting around 27 September 2023 Velo for the most part is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.35% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an especially significant manner. Velo especially is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with most certainly other crypto coins, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Velo fundamentally is down to nearly 5.83% in the essentially most recent 7 days, exhibiting that moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 essentially is $0.003, with an essentially normal cost of $0.003, which generally is genuinely huge. The coin explicitly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for truly passed by and large couple of days. The coin could have in every practical sense solid basics yet. We don't explicitly imagine that it would a productive resource in especially present moment in every practical sense. Further appearance how this generally makes Velo positioning at 599 in the digital money market in a very significant manner. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo really diminished by 61.587%, killing an astounding certainly normal amount of $0.004 from its certainly current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a very decent in a real sense purchase a valuable open door for pretty fast venture. So these truly are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 13.61%. And the cost explicitly flowed from a sort of least sort of typical cost of $0.003 to essentially most extreme certainly normal cost of $0.003 in the especially beyond 90 days, or so they especially thought. And fundamentally most recent 4 months Velo basically has shown a developing pattern, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Hence, we explicitly feel that comparative pieces of the market in every practical sense were very famous at that period, which basically demonstrates the way that Velo could really be exchanging around a genuinely greatest worth of $0.003, with the truly least expected cost of $0.002, which in a real sense shows that also Velo can generally arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.003, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. As indicated by the essentially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo especially is expanded from 4 months, which generally is very huge. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, for the most part further appearance, how in truly most recent 4 months, Velo truly has shown a developing pattern, or so they certainly thought. The coin generally is up by 13.28%, with the especially most extreme exceptionally normal cost of the coin was around $0.002, and the fundamentally least sort of typical cost of explicitly was around $0.002 in every way that really matters, recent months, showing how besides Velo can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.003, or so they in a real sense thought. Velo value figure 2023 facts what will basically be Velo's sort of worth in 2023, or so they thought. The Velo cost basically is gauged to especially arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.003, with pretty least cost of $0.003.